video. In this video, we will be playing PayBack 2. But in this video, I'm gonna tell you the secret place where is the helicopter. So let's get started. So first of all, let's get a car. Yep,
Nice
you can
car.
get this car.
I'll take
Hey,
it.
you get over. First, we have to get out of this corpse so I can tell you nicely. Okay. So the first thing, you need to go in this map. Click here, and I'm gonna show you. It's at this plate right here. That place right there. It's at that place. At that place right there. So we're gonna go there right now. Let's go. Where the hell did I go? Oh. What the hell? Okay, so this is the way that I know. Move out the way, stupid idiot. Idiot NPCs. We are going on a trip in a very rocket ship, going through the sky in a limestone. Climb aboard, standing. Okay, it's at this ramp right here, and we're gonna see our helicopter, and it's right at the right corner here. Right now. So yeah guys, we got our helicopter. We got a helicopter vehicle. Let's get out of here. Let's sit in it. Let's start. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video that how you can find the helicopter in PayBack 2 at the story map. So bye guys.